In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check outbound links in Semrush. Whether you're running a website or optimizing your content, keeping tabs on outbound links is crucial for maintaining site health and improving SEO. That's exactly what we'll cover in today's session, step by step. Let's start by opening up your web browser and searching for Semrush. Semrush is a comprehensive tool that offers various insights and analytics designed to help you improve your online presence and SEO strategies. Once you've navigated to the Semrush website, you'll either need to log into your existing account or sign up if you haven't already. If you're new, simply follow the on-screen prompts for a straightforward sign-up process, which will grant you access to all of Semrush's powerful features. After you've successfully logged in, head over to the SEO section. Here, you'll find Backlink Analytics. This feature lets you delve deeply into your own website's backlinks profile, as well as those of your competitors. It's time to type in your domain name and click Analyze. This will begin the process of gathering valuable information about the sites you link to. Now, let's direct our attention to the Outbound Domains tab, which displays a tailored list of all the domains to which your site is currently linking. This tab is particularly useful for managing the quality of your outbound links. You can refine this list even further. Decide whether you're interested in follow or no-follow links and view them by new or existing links. The follow links are signals to search engines that endorse the linked source, while no-follow links do not pass on this endorsement. Filtering these can help maintain a sharp oversight on where and how link equity is being distributed from your site. Next, let's bolster this analysis with a site audit. In the SEO menu, locate and click on Site Audit. Enter your domain again and initiate the Start Audit process. This comprehensive audit, once complete, provides insights into your site's overall health. Specifically, you'll want to navigate to the Issues tab. Here, you'll gain insights into potential external link issues categorized as errors, warnings, and notices. These categories range in severity and importance, guiding you in identifying possible problems such as broken links, which may harm both user experience and SEO, or links to low-quality websites that could adversely affect your website's reputation and ranking. By thoroughly examining each of these aspects, you'll not only ensure that your outbound links are serving the intended purpose, but you'll also be fortifying your SEO strategies. Taking time to monitor and adjust your outbound links through Semrush can make a significant difference in how search engines perceive your site. With this easy walkthrough, you're now armed with the knowledge to keep your website's links healthy and effective.